The code P0011 means that there are problems with the variable valve timing system and the engine computer registers over advanced valve timing. In most cases, this signals about VVT solenoid problems, but may also indicate issues with camshafts, VVT oil leaks, timing chain or belt problems, or even spark plug problems. But if it's about the spark plugs or coils, you will likely get a misfiring code, which may be P0300 or P0301, and so forth, depending on which cylinder misfires. Hopefully, in your case, the problem is with the solenoid or oil leak, because replacing a worn-out camshaft is not a cheap job. Also, camshafts are usually the culprits on very high mileage engines, so you should start with the VVT system and timing components. The actual problem will depend on the variable valve timing technology your engine uses. The easiest thing would be to check out the VVT solenoid and make sure it works. You may also clean it using one of the tutorial videos on YouTube for your car model. If you hear significant engine rattling, the timing chain should be checked as soon as possible. While chains usually last long, the tensioners are not as reliable in a lot of car models, so the chain tensioning may need to be checked by a good mechanic. Lastly, the broken phasers may be the culprit. These are the mechanism attached to the camshafts and driven by the timing chain. If your engine is equipped with phasers, they may end up throwing the P0011 code, and there is no way you can repair them. Phasers cost quite a lot of money, and when you need to replace them, it also makes sense to install the new chain kit, so the repair is going to be with a heavy bill. So unfortunately, this is not a DIY repair for an average car owner, and the problem needs to be inspected by a good mechanic. Also, you may not want to spend a couple of $100 to install a new camshaft sensor, since this code almost never means the sensor has problem. This is usually all about the changed valve timing. But the good news is that if your engine doesn't knock or rattle much, you can keep driving your car till you get to a good repair shop, and there is no need to get a tow truck or something.